friends, I'm happy to see you today. Our calendar is empty. That's because we're starting a new month. Today we start our last month of school. Isn't that exciting? Let's start with our hello song. Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Okay, let's sing our days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Okay. Can everybody stand up? We're going to do our months dance. Ready? January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December, 12 months of the year. Woo! Woo! Okay, we have to think of what number. What number comes first? Number 1. Number 1 is the first number on our calendar. So today is Monday, June 1st. Awesome job, friends. Okay, get your circles ready. Circle time is all done, all done, all done. Circle time is all done. Now it's time for play.